To enable MoCA on Xfinity, start by opening a web browser on your device and typing in the gateway login, which is 10.0.0.1. Note that MoCA is not automatically enabled on Xfinity gateways, so you'll need to do it manually. To log in, use the username admin and the password, making sure to type both in all lowercase letters. Once you're logged in, select Connections from the drop-down menu on the left side of the page. Then click on MoCA, followed by Enable, and don't forget to save your changes. This should successfully enable MoCA on Xfinity. If you encounter any issues, you can contact Xfinity customer service at 1-800-934-6489 or use the live chat button on your Xfinity account. It's worth noting that you can enable a maximum of 16 MoCA devices on your network. By following these steps, you should be able to enable MoCA on Xfinity with ease.